Good morning, students. We have start chapter number 5, that is the inside the atom. Okay, and in this chapter we are trying to find out the exact structure of an atom. Okay, so different scientists propose their theory about atom. Actually, they are trying to find out what is the atom, and up to now we have studied Dalton's atomic theory, okay, Sir J.J. Thomson's atomic theory, and now we have to study this Rutherford's gold foil experiment, okay. That is the Rutherford's theory. By using this experiment, they proposed some their predictions about the atom, okay. So here, yesterday we have discussed about this experiment. For that we need one alpha particle source, okay. So that is the one alpha particle source. Here we need a one gold foil, okay, of very small thickness, about 10 raised to minus 4 mm, okay. So that very small thickness gold foil is there, and one fluorescence screen here, so we can capture the path of the alpha particles by using this fluorescence screen, okay. So such a way that much setup we have to need to study this Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Always remember that this is important topic by the view of examinations, okay. Many times this experiment asked in exam, okay. Explain Rutherford's gold foil experiment for the broad answer questions, okay. So this question gives us maximum marks in this chapter, okay. So carefully try to understand this concept, okay. So here what we need, alpha particle source. I already told you alpha particles are positively charged particles, that I already told you yesterday, okay. Alpha are positively charged, that are nothing but the helium nucleus, okay. So we will study details about this alpha particle in some higher classes. We place this alpha source in this substance holder, okay, because these radiations are continuously emitted by this substance, okay. This is actually radioactive substance, so from that what continuously these alpha particles are emitted. So that is why we close all the path of alpha particle, and only this alpha particle can go out from this hole, okay. So this unidirectional flow of alpha particles we can get from here, okay. So that is why we place this alpha particle source in one substance holder, okay. So this is the substance holder, this is the alpha particle source, this is the our gold foil, and this is the fluorescence screen, okay. So here Rutherford just do what he did, he bombard these alpha particles on this gold foil, and actually he observed when he bombard these alpha particles on this gold foil, at that time what happened about that alpha particles, okay. So he predict his assumption on the basis of 20,000 alpha particles. He bombard 20,000 alpha he bombard actually many particles, but for made his productions, he used only 20,000 alpha particles, okay. So we can say by the bunch of 20,000 he observed bunch of each 20,000 alpha particle, he made his predictions, okay. So he see that as he bombard the alpha particle on this gold foil, then lots of alpha particle will go, or we can say cross this gold foil, okay. Lots of alpha particle easily what cross this gold foil and go to the opposite side of this gold foil, okay. Many alpha particle can easily travel from one side to another side of the gold foil, okay. Also he made one another prediction that very small alpha particles, okay, very small alpha particles are deviate through their path. Actually, this is the path of alpha particle. Okay, they should have to go straight away, but very small number of alpha particles are deflect through some angle. Okay, very small number of alpha particles deflect through their path by small angle. Okay, so here this is the small angle between the path of these alpha particles. Actually, this alpha particle has to go straight way. Okay, but due to some problem, what happened? They deviate from their path such a way that, okay, through small angle. Again, he observed that very small alpha particles are deviate again through some greater angle. We can say greater than 90-degree angle. Very small alpha particles. Okay, very small. Okay, alpha particles are deviate through their path. Okay, from, we can say, greater than 90-degree angle, and one alpha particles, only one alpha particle after the bombard here go back on the same track. Okay, what happened? Again, see what he bombard alpha particles on this gold foil. Then he observed that if he observe 20,000 alpha particle, in that many alpha particles can easily pass through this gold foil. Okay, that is the one thing. Okay, they can easily pass means simply they have no obstacle in their path. They can easily go through that gold foil. Okay, very small alpha particle, they are deviate through small angles. Okay, why they deviate, that we will see later, but very small alpha particles are deviate from their path that we mention here. Okay, and very small, further very small alpha particle deviate through their path, we can say angle, in large angle. Okay, in large angle, very small alpha particles are deviate through their path that we mentioned here. Okay, and only one alpha particle out of 20,000 alpha particle is go back straight way. Okay, it follows same track that it comes. Okay, it comes in these tracks, and also after bombardment it goes back again on this track. Okay, after the bombardment on gold foil. So such a way that what happened, he observed about the alpha particle after bombardment. Okay, so from that we can observe here, actually suppose we have to consider we don't know about this theory. Okay, and we just want to see what happened here. Actually, then we can also predict that something is happened there. Due to that, what happened, these deviations are produced in the alpha particles. Actually, all the alpha particle has to go straight way, but due to this some problem in their path, what happened, they deviate from their path, and actually all the alpha particles are not follow same path. Okay, so this change in position or change in the track is possible due to the somewhat obstacle is there. Okay, so by just observing this scenario, Rutherford predicts his predictions about the atom. Actually, this is a gold foil, and we know gold foil is made up of atom of golds. Okay, here is gold foil means what, large number of gold atoms are present, and we do what, we bombard this alpha particle on the atoms of gold. Okay, we know every substance is made up of from their atoms. Here this gold foil is also made up of their atom. So here large number of gold atoms are present, and actually we bombard this alpha particle on the atoms of a gold. Okay, so such a way that By observing this scenario, Rutherford thought predict his predictions about the atom. Okay, he's just observing the track of this alpha particle goes changing. Okay, and very small number of alpha particles are deviate from their original path. A large number goes straight forward. Very small alpha particles are change their path through small angle. Further, very small alpha particle change their path through large angle, and one alpha particle out of 20,000 go back straight. Okay, means 180 degree. Okay, so it go back to the same path as he came here. Okay, so such a way that transformation in the path of alpha particle takes place here. Okay, and by observing this scenario, Rutherford present his predictions about the atom. Okay, so from that actually Rutherford give 5 predictions about the atom. Okay, so in that 5 so in that 5 predictions there are, we see that Rutherford tells us that the first prediction is that, okay, so that all are given in book. There we have to see first prediction is that is the at the center of an atom. Okay, at the center of every atom there is nucleus. Okay, so his first prediction is about the nucleus. In that he tells us that, okay, at center of every atom there is presence of nucleus. Nucleus is present at the center of every atom. Okay, then their second prediction is that is about the whole mass of an atom is gathered at the center. Okay, so second prediction is about mass of an atom. Okay, so in the second predictions about atom, the Rutherford tells us that what the whole mass of an atom is gathered at that center nothing but the nucleus. Okay, so whatever the mass that atom has, that is due to this nucleus. Okay, so then also he proposed his third prediction about the electrons revolves around nucleus. Okay, his third prediction is that he tells first prediction that nucleus is there. Okay, then in second predictions he predicts that whole mass of the atom is gathered in this nucleus, and in third prediction he tells us that the all negatively charged electrons are revolve around this nucleus. Okay, electrons are revolve around this nucleus. That is the third predictions of the Rutherford's atomic model. And the fourth predictions is that the what these protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. In the fourth predictions he tells us that about the charge on atom. Okay, charge on atom. So he takes in the fourth prediction that the whatever the all first of all nucleus is there, mass of atom is gathered in nucleus, then electrons revolve around that. So whatever the positive charge atom has, okay, same and equal opposite negative charge this electron has. Okay, Means simply in the fourth prediction, Rutherford tells us that whatever the positive charge atom has, also same and equal negative charge also electron has. Okay, so due to that these positive and negative charges are balanced in atom. Okay, so atom is electrically neutral because of all the positive and negative charges are equal in number. So that is why atom is remain electrically neutral. Whatever the positive charge atom has, same and equal opposite negative charge this electron has. That is why atom remains electrically neutral. So that the fourth prediction is about the charge on atom. And last, that is the fifth prediction he made, that is the there are somewhat space between. Okay, suppose this is nucleus, then electrons are revolved around this nucleus, then there is somewhat space between this nucleus and revolving electrons. Okay, he tells what the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. In the fifth predictions, he tells us that space between nucleus and electrons. Okay, means no doubt about that these electrons are revolved around the nucleus, but there is somewhat space between these electrons and nucleus. He tells in his fifth experiment. Okay, so such a way that in the Rutherford's gold foil experiment, he tried to tell us that what is the structure of an atom. He tells that okay, what happened? Suppose we consider here one atom. Okay, so what happened due to the presence of this atom? What happened? So many alpha particles are go very straightforward, but some alpha particle due to the bombardment with this nucleus, they deviate to small angles. Due to the bombardment, some deviate in larger angle. Okay, so due to the presence of a nucleus, what they have some obstacle. Okay, and due to that obstacle, they deviate from their actual path. Okay, so such a way that, and many alpha particles go straight forward, that is because of space between the nucleus and electron. This tells that should be present of some space between revolving electrons and nucleus. That is why large number of alpha particles can go very straight forward on this track. Okay, so here you have to only remember this experiment, what happened in this experiment. Okay, experiment is very simple, and you have to remember these predictions of experiment. These 5 predictions are important here that you have write if this question asked in examination. Okay, so this you have to read carefully this experiment. Simple experiment, only bombard alpha particles, large number of go straightward, very small deviate through small angle, very small deviate through large angle, and only one is go back on this same track. Okay, so that is the experiment, and these are the predictions of experiment. First prediction is that there should be present nucleus on the center of atom, then whole mass of that atom is situated in this nucleus, gathered in this nucleus, then electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, so the negatively charged electrons are revolved around the nucleus. Then also he talks about the charge on atom. Positive and negative charges are equal in an atom, that is why atom is electrically neutral. And last is there is somewhat space between the nucleus and revolving electron, that is why large number of electrons go straight forward. Okay, so such a way that he made his prediction about the atom. and this experiment is called as a gold foil experiment, Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. If you have any problem about this part, because this is important, okay, that asking examination, just read carefully, you can easily understand. Remaining part of this chapter we will see in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.